Hello everyone, welcome to this WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial for how to import translated post content into WordPress Polylang Multilingual website. So without any delay, let's start the video. Here I have created my website in 4 languages. Before we import, let's see how to prepare a proper CSV file. This is my CSV file. I have 3 records that are in different languages. I have added default post fields like post title, post content, post excerpt, post date, post name, post author, post status, featured image, and post format. In your CSV file, you have to include two main fields like language code and translated post title. In language code field, provide the language code of the post. The first post is in English language, so I mentioned the language code for it as EN. The second post is in Arabic language, so I have given the language code as AR. And for my third French post, I have specified the language code FR. Next, in the translated post title, mention the default post title as value in all translated posts from which you have translated this post in other languages. Now let's start to upload the file in the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Choose the post type from here. I let it be post, and I have chosen new item because we are importing new records. Click on continue. Map the CSV headers with appropriate WordPress fields. You can see all fields are auto-mapped. This is because the CSV headers and WordPress field have same name. You can also modify the mapped fields by choosing the fields from the drop-down. Here in the Polylang settings fields widget, make sure to map the language code and translated post title field. Once you have done the mapping, save the mapping with the name here. And click on continue. Use this media handling section if you have included any external image URL in your CSV file. Click the continue button. Click import to import all your CSV data into WordPress. The import is completed now. Click on View Log button. You can verify the results either in Web View and Admin View. Let's check in Admin View. You can see the first post is imported in English language. Let's check the second post. It is in Arabic language. And the third post is successfully imported in French language. So this is how you import translated post data into your WordPress multilingual website created using Polylang plugin with our WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Thank you for watching the video.